Welcome to Arc Solution, your go-to destination for all things related to technology and software solutions.
वेलकम बैक गाइज ARK सोल्यूशन चैनल में। अभी हम नया सीरीज़ स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं नोड-रेड। इस सीरीज़ में हम सीखेंगे नोड-रेड के बारे में और नोड-रेड के बहुत सारे फीचर एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। ये नोड-रेड का सीरीज़ में भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट है, जैसे कि PLC के साथ कम्युनिकेट करना और अदर पार्ट के साथ कम्युनिकेट करना, डेटा रीड करना। पहला जो वीडियो हम बना रहे हैं इसमें है कि नोड-रेड इंस्टॉल कैसे करेंगे 5 मिनट के अंदर। नोड-रेड इंस्टॉल करने के लिए, उसको रन करने के लिए 5 मिनट बहुत है, तो हमें कुछ प्रोसीजर स्टेप फॉलो करने हैं। तो देयर इज़ द स्टेप टू बी डन लाइक दिस, दैट इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ द Node.js, then the installation of the Node-RED, then the run the Node-RED. Okay, we go for the first steps, that is the installation of the Node.js. You have to download Node.js. So in Google you can check it. In Google you can write the Node.js, that is you can get the easily the Node.js sites. It is very popular site. So in download section you can find out the current version and you can find out the latest recommended version. So for the Windows, for the Mac, for the source code, you can find out any stuffs. That is the 32-bit, 62-bit. You can download the as per your requirement, as per your system requirement. I'll just download here the 32 bits and the 64-bit. Then once it is download, you can run it. So I'll just go for the run it. Okay, Node.js. Then next, accept the license. Then keep it path in the C folder program files as it is. Then go for the next, and then here is some additional file you can go for the install or not install. It depends upon your choice. I'm not going for the install any additional files, and you can run it. Keep it next. So installation process will be the complete within the 2 or 3 minutes. So you know that what is the benefit of the Node-RED. First of all, you need to understand that the Node-RED is the part of the Node.js, and using the Node.js you can do the anything. Like some example is the like that you want to read the exact the data from the PLC, read the data from the SQL. You can read the data from the Excel. You can read the data from the any text file. You can read the any API. You can hit any API. You can make the dashboard. You can. It's a lot of functionality available is there. You can open the camera system from the Node-RED like that. So okay, we can understand the later on. So we will explore all the stuffs. So here is the Node.js is the install. Then the next procedure is the install the Node-RED. So this is the command for the install the Node.js. So you can open the command prompt and hit the okay, this is the Node.js command. So you can hit that command and run it. Once it is completely run, you can able to you can able to install the Node-RED. So for the installation Node-RED, it will automatically do all the steps. It will fetch the all files from the internet, and it will install in your systems. So for the installation of the Node-RED, it will require the less than the 1 minute. So I'm explaining that using the Node-RED we can do all the steps. Consider that you need to be capture a image on specific time. You can run the Node-RED and do the programming, and you can able to capture the image on that perfect time, or maybe on some other trigger. The installation of the Node-RED is done. Then we need to be open the Node-RED. So open the Node-RED, the command write in command prompt node-red and hit it. Once it is hit it, you can can create their steps, and it will run. So for the run, you can check it. Here is the address for the web address, for the web server address of the Node-RED. You can hit it that, and you can able to see your Node.js dashboard. That is the flow rate. Here you can write the program, that is the graphical, that is the old program which was saved in my laptops. So in next section we will